Are you looking forward to find saved files on iPhone? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily find the saved files on iPhone. First thing first, you need to head over to your application files on your device. Once you open the page, in the recent section you will be able to see all the recent files that has been downloaded or saved into your phone. If you want to find specific files, then simply head over to Browse at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then move into Downloads. In this page, you will be able to find all the files that has been downloaded on your device. You can search for the specific one in the search bar. Now, if you want to see the files inside iCloud Drive, then simply click on iCloud Drive at the top of the screen. If you have saved, then you will be able to see in this page. Now go back to Browse once again. You can move into On My iPhone or Drive in order to find the specific files that you want to, and then you'll be good to go. So this is simply how you can find saved files on iPhone. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.